Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. This time we're going to be making beet and nectarine salad with yuzu sauce. We made the Yuja Chai maybe several months ago if you remember, and if you still have some leftover, this is the perfect time to use the leftover Yuja Chai for dressing, which is what I always do. So let's get started. As I said, I'm going to be using the leftover Yuja Chai. This is the Yuja Chai that we made several months ago. It's very tart and still very sweet. So instead of using any sugar, this will provide that vinaigrette taste with the natural sweetness. So I have 2 tablespoons of Yuja Chai here. Instead of sesame oil, I'm going to be using olive oil. 2 tablespoons. And then maybe a tablespoon of lemon juice. Usually you have to use an equal amount of lemon juice, but because Yuja also has that lemony and citrusy taste, I'm going to use only half. Mix it well together. Then of course you do need some salt and pepper. This is like making a regular lemon vinaigrette, but using Yuja instead of sugar vinegar. Let it sit for a while I make the salads. Nectarines are in season in Korea right now, so I'm going to be using nectarines. You can use any kind of pitstone fruit like peaches or whatever you have. Sometimes I also use mandarin oranges or grapefruit. So depends whatever you want to use. Cut it into bite size. So I have cut 1 nectarine into bite-sized pieces. I put it into a bowl. I actually roasted some beets last night. So I add some beets. Look, the color already looks so beautiful. Look at this, very much of a summer color. You can use burrata cheese or mozzarella cheese, but I prefer to use tofu here. A little bit healthier and easier to get in Korea. And in order to enhance the taste, I actually pan fry the tofu pieces. And I cooled it, so I'll just add the tofu. Now I will add the dressing to the top, but before I add the dressing, I just want to, because it's been sitting for about 30 minutes, I just want to make sure that it's got enough of the vinegary taste, okay? If you think that it's lacking vinegary taste, then add a little more vinegar. I'll just pour it all over the table. Just maybe 1 teaspoon. Okay. Then I'm just going to pour. Toss it together. And this kind of salad, you want to let it marinate a little bit before you serve it, because you want all the this dressing seasoning to soak into the tofu, the beets, and the fruit. I'll just let it sit for a while. I'm going to add a little more salt and pepper. I use this beautiful bowl that my mother-in-law gave me. I think this must be at least 60 years old. Very beautiful, isn't it? It's nice and pink. It goes well with the salad. So here's your summer fruit salad with healthy addition of tofu. Enjoy!